Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss about regression modeling. So what is regression modeling? Regression modeling is a statistical and machine learning technique used to predict a continuous outcome variable, dependent variable based on one or more independent variables, predictors. It establishes relationships between variables and helps understand the influence of predictors on the target variable. Types of regression models. Number one is linear regression. Number second is multiple regression. Third is polynomial regression. Fourth is logistic regression. The linear regression assumes a linear relationship between the dependent and independent variables. Multiple regression extends linear regression to multiple predictors. Polynomial regression fits a polynomial relationship to the data. Logistic regression used for binary classification. The output is a probability in this logistic regression. Now we will study about this regression modeling by demonstrating the estimation model evaluation and demonstrating the stepwise regression using Python in Google Colab. So now let's move to the Google Colab for the further explanation. So yeah, we are here in the Google Colab. So the first task is estimation model evaluation. Here we have imported the pandas SPD. From sklearn.linear model we have imported linear regression. From sklearn.metrics we have imported this mean absolute error, mean squared error and R2 score. From sklearn.dataset we have imported the load diabetes dataset. From the load data from the data set we have loaded here the data set as diabetes, and we have assigned this data to x and target to y. Now we are training the model. Model is equal to linear regression is used to train the model according to the linear regression, and then we are doing model dot fit x comma y. Predictor is equal to model dot predict x. Then we are evaluating the model using mean absolute error, mean square error and RMSE, so and R2 square. So here we are printing mean absolute error, mean square error, RMSE and R2 score. So as you can see in this output we got this mean absolute error and mean square error, RMSE and R2 score. Now the next task is stepwise regression. Here we have imported stats model.api SSM, and next we have imported pandas as PD, and then we have imported this load diabetes dataset from sklearn.datasets. Now we are loading the dataset and assigning this data to x and target to y. We are performing this stepwise regression function. We have defined this function as def stepwise selection x comma y, and initial feature is equal to x comma x dot x comma columns dot to list. This is the initial feature, and under this this we have defining this while loop, and under while loop we have defined this for loop. So here it will select the feature, and the selected feature will be displayed in this selected feature region. So let's see this output. Here the selected features are as follows, which includes BMI and the up to age. So that's it for this video. Let's meet in the another video with another topic. Thank you. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring the topics.